Just getting started on Tonal and trying to figure out all of the tech? Don't stress, I got your back. Let's start by getting comfortable with Tonal's adjustable arms. The arms move 3 ways. Adjust the angle by pulling the lever in the middle, the height by pulling the lever behind the shoulder, and the rotation by pressing the circular button. Play with them a bit, and in no time, it'll become second nature. Pairing your smart handles and bar control is similar to any Bluetooth device. First, go to your Tonal's interface and locate the Smart Accessories icon. Select Add New, and then click the button on the side of your handles or bar control. You'll see a blue light, and the devices will appear on the drop-down menu. Easy. Rather listen to music than me or the other coaches? Well, I'm hurt, but I get it. From the Settings menu, select the Audio Playlist icon. This will reveal several music platforms to choose from. You can listen to Tonal's built-in radio stations or connect your device to your Apple and Amazon Music accounts. Tonal's arms, handles, and bar control are battery operated, so after a while, you'll need to swap them out. On the arms, the battery compartment can be found in between the angle lever and the rotation button. Each arm requires 2 AAA batteries. The smart handle's 2 AA batteries can be swapped by pressing the small release button at one end of the handle. Slide off the plastic cover to reveal the battery compartment. With that, you should be off to the races. And if you get stuck again, these videos aren't going anywhere.